Welcome to Drawing with Callie, how to draw a dragon. First, draw an oval. Then draw most of a circle, almost a circle, but draw a triangle, something like this. Then draw a triangle like this, and then for the eyes, draw a circle, then a little curve at the bottom of the circle, then lines inside a little curve, and then a circle on top, and then we'll color it in after, okay? And then draw the eyelashes, and then draw a tall triangle for the horn, and the lines for the horn, and then for the fire, draw a line going out, and then another line going out, and then out, in, then start up here, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, and then draw the tongue. Draw a half circle, but not all the way connected, and then draw another one like that. And then it's time for the legs. Draw one line down, then another line down on the other side. You're supposed to draw a rectangle, then draw half of a rectangle connecting to it, and then do a space, and then the same thing on this side. Rectangle, half a rectangle connecting to it, and then draw 3 bumps on each big rectangle and 2 little bumps on the little half rectangles too. Then draw the tail. Draw one curvy line up, out of the, then from the tip, draw another curvy line back in, and then draw 1 bump, 2 bump, 3 bump, 4 bumps, and then draw a bump here, draw a bump there, and then draw bumps on the back. That all half circles. And then for the wings, draw a line up, and then do 3 curves, 1, 2, 3, and then go back in, and then draw 1 curve, 2 curves, and then go back in again, and then draw 3 lines, not connecting to the horn, but coming out from the horn, and then draw a line curvy. Then draw a curvy line, and then another curvy line, and then another curvy line. Draw 4 curvy lines that curve and meet for a diamond, and then draw a heart. The heart is just a V, then 2, and then an M on top. And then let's color. And that's how you draw a dragon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.